You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to fix the no SIM card or SIM failure error on your iPhone. First, restart your iPhone. If the error persists, turn off your iPhone and remove the SIM card tray using the ejector tool. Inspect the SIM card for damage or dirt. Clean the gold contacts gently with a soft cloth and blow into the tray slot to remove dust. Reinsert the SIM card firmly, ensuring it's properly seated. Turn your iPhone back on. Next, check for a carrier settings update. Go to Settings, then General, then About. If an update is available, a prompt will appear. Update your iOS to the latest version in Settings, then General, then Software Update. If the issue continues, reset your network settings. Go to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords. Try using the SIM card in another phone to determine if the problem is with the card or your iPhone. If it works elsewhere, contact your carrier for a replacement SIM. If none of these steps work, there may be a hardware issue. Contact Apple support for more simple iPhone fixes. Subscribe to the channel.